Isabel, when you shift with the sniper rifle, Isabel, get the, Isabel, get the sniper, guys, get the sniper, get the get the fourth column, and then go all the way down. There's a sniper.
Bomb has been planted. Bomb has been defused.
I'm getting the sniper.
Alright, soldiers. Are you ready?
You guys, I'm gonna be camping, guys. I'm gonna camp.
Move out.
You
Move
guys
out.
get the sniper. Get the
Move out.
sniper rifle SG08.
Let's go. I'm watching a machine gun type. I'm a machine gun type.
Nico, get the sniper rifle SSG08.
No, I'm a machine gun.
But Nico, when you shift with the sniper rifle, it's like real, like aiming.
Oh, that's cool. Well, yeah, sure, let's be camping. So loud.
Camping in the corner here.
In the corner? Why?
Behind us! Behind us! Behind us!
No!
No! I died!
Soldier down!
I'm so funny! No! Nico, there's a guy named Nick. Guys, there's a guy named Nick.
No! We lost!
No, we won. Yeah, I'm on that team. I'm on that.
Let's do this, soldiers!
Sniper.
Alright, guys,
I got the one in the fourth column.
Alright, wait, guys.
All the way in the bottom of the fourth column.
Guys, first rule of soldier training. Learn how to use guns. This is the first lesson. I'm definitely gonna make it serious. It's gonna have to be a soldier in Minecraft. I'm dead. I'm dead! I'm dead!
I'm dead too.
I'm a dead, yo! I'm a dead! I'm a dead! I'm a dead! I'm dead! Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm the general. No!
He's the only one that won. Yeah, we won. Yeah, I'm a bomber. Yeah, I won. Did you see that awesome win?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I got the sniper again. The sniper is so much fun to use.
Let's get this done.
Go with me. Alright.
So wait, do you have the sniper? Because if you have the sniper, you get the scope. Alex.
You dare! Robert does what more. You dare! No!
God, you're supposed to be our general.
No!
No, terrorists win.
Terrorist won.
Terrorists win.
Alright.
Guys, get the sniper rifle. Guys, you should really get the sniper rifle. Get the fourth column.
I got a grenade, guys. I got a
Get the
grenade.
fourth one in the bottom row.
Alright, guys. Stay with me.
Guys, get the fourth one. Guys, get the fourth one in the bottom row. Fourth one at the bottom row.
I said recruits come to me. Alright. You guys want to become a soldier? A shoulder?
Yeah,
body?
shoulder.
Follow me.
No!
Let's do this. We're dead. No! I want to be my grenade.
I killed someone!
I still want to be my grenade.
Oh, no! I killed someone at least. At least I killed someone. here, just snipe.
Why? Oh.
Incendiary, watch out! Suck.
Again.
Terrorist win.
We got ambushed.
Sniper rifle again. I did exactly what I did before.
Lock and load.
Alright, let's do this.
Smoke.
Guys, we need to smoke, yo. Getting nauseated! No! Aww! Why am I always dying? Alright, you can do this. Come on. Yeah.
No, I dropped my gun!
We are horrible soldiers! We are really horrible soldiers. Well, why can't you see?
But I'm dying!
No!
No, smoke bomb!
Yeah, today we become. So,
No! At least I'm alive. At least I'm
Yeah.
alive.
yeah, you made it out. You made it out alive. I know, right? I got all the grenades.
I got an explosive.
I got all of them.
Grenade out.
Get him!
What?
No!
What?
That AK-47!
Well, what? That's from an AK-47, man. Yeah, Bombers won the whole game.
Man, at least I got one kill.
Alright, soldiers, we failed.
Guys, I got one kill this whole game.
Alright, guys, this is how. Hope you enjoyed. This is how not to become a soldier. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. Totally.
No, me.
Alright, see you guys.
Team.
See ya.